Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on this snowblower. So you got a snowblower that's self-propelled, and when you hit the drive it goes a little bit or maybe stops or doesn't want to go at all. If the belt's good, then you're going to check your friction drive. To do that, just tilt it up forward, remove your bottom cover here, which is usually about 6 10mm bolts. And this right here is going to be your friction drive. This right here. Now as you can see, there's almost no rubber left to it. Looks like it even chewed up the wheel a little bit. So to take this out, there's a bolt here, which I've already loosened. And on this side here, there's a nut. So we're going to take the nut off. And there's a washer. And a bolt on this side. And also a washer. Alright, once the nut and bolt are out, if you just wiggle this back and forth, the bearings will come off. Same with the other side. That will come out. They just go in this way. Then you're going to take this, you can just rotate this forward and pull it out, just like so. And just remember the way it goes on. Gears, obviously to this large gear here. This will slide off this way. Now we're going to get this on the workbench and I'm going to show you how to change this rubber part. Alright, so the first thing, we'll pull this shaft out. It just pulls right out. Just set that aside. You got 3 bolts on this side and 3 bolts on this side. I've already loosened these ones. They are 10mm. I'm just going to pull those out right now. Flip it over. Take these 3 out. Once all your bolts are out, take and try to separate this. Just like that. And then this rubber piece will come off, your wore down piece, and we're going to put on the brand new one. Now when you're looking for a new one of these, I got this one off of Amazon. There are different sizes, so the best way is to measure the inside to see exactly what one that you need. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this back on. And don't forget your 3 bolts that go on the other side. Alright, once everything's done, you're going to take and put it back on your shaft, just like this, exactly the way I'm putting it on. And we'll go ahead and put this back in the snowblower. Alright, back at the snowblower, pretty simple to just put on. Just leave your bearings out for now. Make sure you put that back in the hole right here where it shows this lever. There we go. Now we got it set back in there. We're going to go ahead and just put our bearings to the sides. and the other bearing. Now we can put our nut back on this side and our bolt back on the other side. All right, once you got that tightened up and everything, we're going to go ahead and put our bottom back on. All right, once you got your bottom on, you're going to follow your cable. You should have an adjustment here. I'm going to go ahead and loosen that up a little bit because you want some looseness to it, or else it's going to be too tight, and then when you start it, it's going to want to take off on you. That looks about good right there. Yeah, that should work. Well guys, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And once again, thanks again for watching.